Hey friends, are you tired of jumping from one side hustle to another only to find out none of them really work? Well, today is your day. In this video, I'm going to show you for free how you can make money using a powerful AI affiliate website. That's right, a completely passive income stream that can earn you up to $500 a day. The success story. Let's start with a case study. Stacey, a well-known YouTuber, has been using this method to generate an impressive income. She earns up to $50,000 in a single month, and the best part, it's all done passively. She uses a beginner-friendly AI app to set up her affiliate websites in minutes. Imagine earning money 24/7 even while you're sleeping without any active effort. Sounds too good to be true? Well, Stacey La's 170,000 subscribers can vouch for her method, and today I'll show you how you can replicate her success and start making $500 a day as well. Before we dive into the process, let's quickly understand what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a simple process where you, as an affiliate, promote other businesses' products online. When someone buys a product through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Big brands like Nike, Amazon and Target all have affiliate programs. The potential is huge and the commissions can be substantial. Step 1. Pick a niche. First, you need to choose a profitable niche. Some of the most lucrative niches are health, wealth, tech, and relationships. But here's a tip from Stacey La. The travel niche is booming right now. Millions of people search for budget-friendly travel options every month, and the affiliate commission potential is really high. Head over to affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Digistore24, ShareASale, and Impact. For this example, let's use Impact. Sign up and browse through the available products. Stacey La recommends Skyscanner, a popular travel site that offers the cheapest prices for flights, hotels, and car rentals. Skyscanner offers a 20% commission, which can translate into significant earnings. Now, it's time to set up your affiliate website using Hostinger. Hostinger is a web hosting site that includes a powerful AI website builder. This tool allows you to create complete websites in seconds. Go to hostinger.com and sign up. Choose the business plan because it includes all the AI tools you'll need. Here's another YouTuber who is making $200 per day through affiliate websites using AI. Once you've created your account, go to the top menu and select Websites, then click the Add Website button. Click Start Creating and enter your brand name or website name. For our travel example, let's name it Budget Travel Guide. Select Blog as the type of website you want to create. Provide a brief description like a blog offering affordable travel tips and deals. Click Create your website, and in seconds the AI will generate a fully functional website with headers, images, blog posts, and social media links. It's that simple. Now, let's create some monetized blog posts. Go to the left menu and click on Pages and Navigation, then select the blog page. Click on the first blog post and then click Edit Post. Use Hostinger's AI blog generator by selecting it from the left menu. Choose a casual tone of voice and specify the number of words. 1,500 to 2,000 words is ideal. Provide a detailed prompt like write a blog post on affordable travel tips to Rome. Include keywords like budget travel, cheap flights, and affordable hotels. Here's the magic part. You can instruct the AI to automatically insert your affiliate links. Copy your Skyscanner affiliate link and add it to your prompts. For example, please hyperlink all instances of the word Skyscanner with the following URL, and you insert your affiliate link there. Click Create Content, and in less than a minute, you'll have a complete monetized blog post ready to go. Check out this video on affiliate marketing using AI. If there are any changes you want to make, you can easily do so using Hostinger's drag and drop editor. Click on any element you want to edit, whether it's text or images. You can replace images with royalty-free options or use the AI image generator to create unique visuals. Step 2. Final touches. Make sure to review your website on mobile by clicking the mobile view button. This ensures your site looks great on all devices. Once you're satisfied, click the Go Live button on the top right corner. Don't forget, Hostinger gives you a free domain with your account. And there you have it. You've just set up your very own AI affiliate website in minutes. Follow the exact steps that Stacey used to earn up to $50,000 in a single month by choosing a profitable niche, using Hostinger's powerful AI tools, and creating monetized blog posts. You're well on your way to making $500 a day passively. But one thing is for sure, you should never rely on one method or one stream of income, whether you're just starting out or have already built a business. If one business fails, you should have another source of income to rely upon. Therefore, in this video above, I share my secret on how you can watch gaming videos and earn a staggering $200,000 a year. Click on it now to get started. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content like this.